Hi friends, good morning everyone. Today we discuss about tribal communities and forest producers. How do tribal people rely on forest? Now we say tribes who live near the forests rely on forest products to meet their needs. They collect firewood to use a kitchen fuel. They go hunting for meat. Plants are used as a herbs and medicines. Tribes not only use the forest to meet their basic needs, but they also use it as a source of income. As a source of income, they collect natural products such as dry and fallen wood for fuel, small timber, bamboos, nuts, berries, bones, hide, skins, and herbs, among others. The ethnic people of India have played an important role in preserving the biodiversity of several virgin forests and have conserved several flora and fauna in tribal sacred groves. Otherwise, these flora and fauna would have vanished from natural ecosystem. The next one, humans and animals are distinguished by culture. The preservation of culture is critical to our identity. The most important feature of Indian society is its unity of culture diversity. One of them is tribal culture, which demonstrate distinct identity of tribal population in the country. In India, how many tribe communities exist? There are 705 ethnic groups in India that are formally recognized as a scheduled tribes. A tribe is a group of people who share a geographical area and live and work together. A tribe has shared culture, language, and religion. They also share a strong sense of belonging. A chief is usually in charge of the tribe. A tribal society is a collection of tribes that are arranged around the kinship. The next question we see, which is the largest tribe community in India? The Santhal are India's largest and oldest tribes, living in Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, and West Bengal. The next one, what is the India's second largest tribe? According to India Census 2011, Gond is the second largest tribe, accounting for 35.6% of the total population of 43,57,980. The tribes are the land's indigenous inhabitants and are thought to be the original settlers of Indian Peninsula. They are known as Adivasi, which means original inhabitants. A large number of Indian tribes are mentioned in ancient literature. Next, people were divided into tribes before the caste system was expanded around the Brahmanic age. A tribe is a chief self-contained homogeneous group with no hierarchical divisions because there are no clear-cut scientific standards for this purpose. There are several anomalies in tribal population studies. For example, the Gonds are scheduled caste in Uttar Pradesh but scheduled tribe in Madhya Pradesh. Scheduled tribes are defined in Article 366 Section 25 has such tribes or tribal communities, sections, segments within such tribes or tribal communities as are regarded to scheduled tribes. For the purpose of this constitution under Article 342. Article 342 says that the Indian Constitution identifies tribes or tribal communities in that state or union territory that are scheduled tribes under the Indian Constitution. The next question, tribal growth in population. We see indigenous people made up 8.61% of total population. According to 2011 census, they mostly live in rural areas, but a small number of them live in cities as well. Between the census 2001 and 2011, tribal population growth was 23.66%, while overall population growth was 17.69%. Surprisingly, India total population has sex ratio 940 females per 1000 men, whereas the scheduled tribes have a sex ratio 990 females per 1000 males. Now we see major tribal communities and their states. Arunachal Pradesh, Monpa, Galo, Aptanis, Singapore, Abor. In Andhra Pradesh, Andh, Kolam, Manna, Dora. In Little Andaman, Jarawa. The next state, Bihar, Asur, Parhia, Santals, Birhor, Gond, Chero. In Assam, Kasis, Garos, Chakma. In West Bengal, Khond, Ho, Rabha. In Goa, Dubia, Siddhi, Naik, Varil, Siddhi. In Gujarat, Bil, Bimcha, Gamta. In Uttarakhand, Buksha, Khas, Tharu. In Himachal Pradesh, Gujaras, Khas, Lamba, Pangwala, Swangal. In Chhattisgarh, Bia, Agaria, Baina. In Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Ongas, Chopins, Sentinelensis. In Jharkhand, Birawas, Mundas, Boomji. And J&K, Jammu and Kashmir, Garra, Mon, Beda. In Uttar Pradesh, Bushka, Kol and Tau. Kerala, Aryan, Oralis, Arandan, Malay. Karnataka, Uruliga, Bil, Horaga. In Tripura, Namte, Lushai, Halam. In Maharashtra, Kon, Katakari, Ratava, Bunji. In Madhya Pradesh, Kol, Kon, Birhors. In Mizoram, Raba, Lakshar, Kuki. In Meghalaya, Chakma, Hazang, Garos. In Manipur, Chiru, Alimol, Angamai. In Odisha, Gara, Santals, Kerala. Kairai. In Nagaland, Angamai, Garo, Mikir, Sama. In Sikkim, Lapchas, Butei. In Rajasthan, Damarai, Menas, Saharia. In Telangana, Chenchus. Tribal distribution state by state. No communities have been designated as a scheduled tribes in Punjab and Haryana, as well as the Union Territory of Chandigarh, Delhi, Puducherry. Also, there is no tribal communities exist. While scheduled tribes make up to 94.43% of total population in Mizoram and 94.79% in Lakshadweep. The third state, Nagaland, 86.4% 0.48% is the other Indian state with the high proportion of scheduled tribes. Meghalaya accounts for 86.15%. In Arunachal Pradesh, the total population in scheduled tribes 68.79%. In Jharkhand has the highest proportion of scheduled tribes people 30.62%, followed by Chhattisgarh 30.62%. Gujarat, Assam, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir region and Goa are the four major states with a scheduled tribal population of more than 10%. One third of Indian scheduled tribe population live in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha. Madhya Pradesh has the highest absolute population of scheduled tribes, followed by Maharashtra and Odisha. Thank you.